The study explores the effect of events on pedestrian movement in Christchurch, New Zealand, following the city's regeneration after the devastating 2011 earthquake. Focusing on the central business district between 2018 and 2020, we ask, can public events breathe life back into a recovering urban space? Christchurch offers a unique case where modern urban design and place marketing intersect. Events were used as a part of a deliberate strategy to increase pedestrian footfall as well as stimulate economic recovery within the CBD. Now, the data collected that was on an hourly basis shows that events do encourage pedestrian activity. However, this effect is not statistically significant. In other words, events alone may not be the silver bullet for urban revitalization. Interestingly, events with a common cause, those that foster collective memory or social cohesion, drew larger crowds than entertainment-focused events. This highlights the human desire for connection and meaning after trauma. Pedestrian activity was highest during the summer, holidays, and between Thursdays and Saturdays. These time-based trends suggest that temporal factors may be more influential than events in drawing people back to the CBD. Even on non-event days, pedestrian volumes remained healthy. This indicates the success of the regeneration narrative itself. People are reconnecting with the space due to personal memory, improved design, and a sense of progress. The study shows how cities recovering from disaster benefit from more than just events. The timing, context, and type of engagement all matter, especially when rebuilding a sense of belonging. The Christchurch case shows that while public events can support pedestrian activity in a post-disaster CBD, they are not the main driver of visitation. From 2018 to 2020, increased foot traffic was influenced more by the city's regeneration narrative, seasonal and weekend patterns, and socially cohesive common cause events than by entertainment-focused ones. This suggests that events should be used as a complementary tool in economic recovery strategies, with careful attention to their type and purpose to enhance the overall urban experience and encourage repeat visits.